Hello everyone, Solving Factory here. In this video, we'll learn how to change the paypal.me link on a PayPal account. The process is quite easy and simple. Just make sure you watch this video until the end. So here, you can see I have my paypal.me link, and in case I want to change this, you need to go down to the bottom after you logged in and click on Connect. This will redirect you to the Contact Us page. Basically, you do not have a direct option to change the paypal.me link. You need to talk to an agent who will help you through the process. Once you're here, click on Message Us. PayPal Assist will open up. Now click on Send a Message and type in I want to change paypal.me link. This will help you further. Once you do this, it will ask you if you're contacting for the topic update account. Click on No, and we need to talk to the agent. Then type Need more help to indicate the automatic messages are not helping us. Click on Yes to send a conversation session to a customer support agent. The agent will join you within a few minutes. Paste the message I want to change paypal.me link again and send it. Now the agent will respond to you within a few hours. When you're logged in and the agent has responded, you'll see the notification. It could take a few hours, but the agent will help you change the paypal.me link, and that's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.